Why can't a girl have everything? I've learned the world will constantly ask you to conform to their idea of you, who you should be. You just stick to being who you are. Acceptance of the self, you know, is what happened around 2007, 8, 9 actually. Put it to test. 364 divided by
364 divided by 38 into 124. Vidya, welcome to Hindustan Times Digital and congratulations for Shakuntala Devi trailer. There's so much
Thank
charm.
you.
There's so much charm and whimsy there.
Thank you. I guess that was Shakuntala Devi. So that's a I'm very glad that you found the trailer charming and whimsical.
So drama or nothing, that's what we are going
Yes, absolutely, absolutely. That was Shakuntala Devi for you.
for. So tell me, how did you see her and how did you approach the character?
Honestly, I didn't know much about her except the fact that she was known as a human computer the world over. But when Anu Menon, the writer director, started sharing articles with me and then some interviews with me, I was shocked to discover that she had such an interesting personality. She was interested in life per se. She wanted to live life to the fullest. She gave every moment her all. She loved to dress up. you know she loved music. She liked to dance. Apparently she used to go to the clubs in Calcutta with her husband, and they dance away through the night. She loved to cook. She loved to eat. um, she she had this zest for life and a wicked sense of humor. So I was like, wow, none of this I associate with a mathematical genius.
Absolutely.
Of course, there were other complexities that came to the fore, which I don't want to go into at this point. You'll see in the film her relationship with her daughter, which was a very, it was an unusual and usual relationship, because mothers and daughters always have that little khatpat. But she was also, she loved also, like, she lived life, you know, full josh ke saath.
So a human computer with a sense of humor, huh?
Yeah, and how?
Ah,
A wicked sense of humor.
it was so great to hear you say, I never lose in the trailer. It's so empowering to see a woman saying that on screen.
Right.
And you have this string of, films where you're playing this woman who knows her mind. So,
Right.
these are the roles you have chosen, and or do you ever feel the pressure to confirm, tick the boxes, ye bhi kar leti hu, ye bhi kar leti hu? Does that happen?
No. I don't think you can do that, because I can decide that I want to do yeah. But so honestly, I respond to the choices that are offered to me, and then I decide what I want to do. But these kind of women, I
Mhm.
find very exciting. Women who love themselves, who love life, who are, um, you know, who who are unapologetic about the choices they make, about wanting to have everything in life. Why should most often girls are told that you can't have everything. Why can't a girl have everything? Shakuntala Devi was living embodiment of the fact that you could have everything and more, and she stopped short at nothing. I think these kind of women really inspire me, which is why I end up playing them.
You are also the living embodiment of a woman who decided to do whatever she wanted to. What were your challenges? And how did you become the woman you are today?
I think I'm still work in progress. I'm still, I feel, coming into my own, because there are so many voices telling you what to do, who to be, especially as a girl, especially as a woman. So to really drown out all those noises, those sounds, and just to listen to your own inner voice takes a lot. That comes, I think, with experience. The biggest lesson that being a public figure, an actor, a star, uh, the biggest lesson I've learned is that the world will constantly ask you to conform to their idea of you, who you should be.
Mhm.
But their ideas will keep changing. Won't be able to keep up. So it's best you just stick to being who you are. And that is the most invaluable, precious lesson that I've learned. And I hold on to that very dearly. Sometimes bhatak bhi jati hu. It's human, I guess, because sometimes we need that. We're looking for approval or validation from a certain quarter, and we feel we'll only get it when, probably we adhere or conform. But then perspective returns, and then I'm fine. But it happens to me also. So I think I think it's also the family I grew up in. I was, I feel like my parents gave my sister and me every freedom to be who we wanted to be. And that is a real blessing.
I had once come to interview in Delhi, and it was, I think, about sometime after Kismet connection. You were such a different person, so worried about how you're looking and everything. The interview never happened.
Really?
Yeah, you were so
Yeah.
concerned. And then I see you today, and the person you are, it reflects in your roles, it reflects in your life, it reflects in the.
Yeah.
I see this drastic change, and
Oh, thank you. Thank you. I don't remember this, unfortunately, but, you know,
yeah.
I'm glad I've crossed over.
So I always wanted to ask you, what changed, and I'm glad
I
we're
think
having this conversation.
acceptance of the self, is what happened around 2007, 8, 9, actually. That's when I realized, like I said, you
Mhm.
can, um, you, to gain acceptance from, when you walk into a room, for example, where there are 100 people, there will be times when 99 like you, there will be times when 20 like you, there will be times when 50 like but if you're wanting to be liked by everyone every single time, their even their expectations of you change according to their mood, according to the weather. So it's not like that remains constant. So you think, okay, let me do whatever will make these people happy, but then their minds change,
Yeah.
and then you're fully confused. So I think that's a never ending process. I realized that I had to accept that one person I saw in the mirror, and if I did, then at least I should have the acceptance of that one person in life, because everyone else's is not to be depended upon.
Right.
Those keep changing.
Okay. Now comes the real tough question: how good are you at math?
Pretty good, actually.
So what is 364
don't put
divided?
it to don't put it to test. 364 divided by
364 divided by 38 into 124.
उसके you'll have to watch the film for that. I can't even say ticket खरीद के picture देखनी पड़ेगी, पर Amazon Prime पे 31st जुलाई को देख लो और इस सवाल का जवाब आपको मिल जाएगा.
बट आपकी सही प्रमोशन हो रही है, साइंटिस्ट से साल भर में आप ह्यूमन कंप्यूटर बन गए, अब नोबेल
Yeah, really. पक्का ना?
बिल्कुल. योर पेरेंट्स मस्ट बी सो प्राउड. मतलब साउथ इंडियन पेरेंट्स का ड्रीम है ये.
Yeah, at least सही में तो नहीं बन पाई, at least रोल्स ऐसे मिल रहे हैं मुझे.
So the film was made for theaters. It's coming out on OTT. As audience, we are happy we are getting to see the stories in this difficult time.
In under the given circumstances, see, Shakuntala Devi was made for the theater, for a theatrical release. But under the given circumstances, we're releasing on Amazon Prime Video. And I think that's great because their reach is unbelievable. What an audience base. So I think there are pros to this also. And we know that people are not going to be going to the theaters for a while. So our film was ready, and I'm glad we are going to be on Amazon Prime 31st July onwards. And that, because once the film is ready, you just want people to see it. Yeah. So I feel like आज 31st July होता तो बहुत अच्छी बात होती. But you I'm glad we have this opportunity today, um, to be showcasing our work to the world. And I'm sure we'll resume work very soon. And there are films that will be made purely for OTT platforms. There are films that will be made purely for theatrical uh, for a theatrical release, and things will go back to how they were. But I'm glad we're coming on Amazon Prime.
Also, you have been on the forefront when it comes to films fronted by women. Now, with films coming out on OTT, do you think the process will be democratized further, given that we will not be the tyranny of box office is off? You think it will help in any way?
I don't see that as tyrannical at all. The box office.
Okay.
I just think it's I've never looked at it like that. Yes, it is a lot of pressure, because you want your film to do a certain number. That weekend number has become very, very important. But having said that, there's a charm to that also. But yes, in terms of content, I definitely think that with the OTT platforms, it democratizes the process that much more.
For example, if we talk about pay parity, you think this will help? And where are we because audience has accepted the films, the industry has accepted the films, but there is still, that distinction is still there. Maybe it's business, but your take on this?
Yeah, it is business, and we can't shy away from that. Having said that, when you compare the ratio, in terms of how much a male actor gets, what ratio of the overall budget goes to the male actor as a fee?
Mm-hmm.
It's the same in female-centric films. How much do I make versus the overall budget of the film? The ratio is the same. So I have no complaints there. But yes, would I not like to be paid more? Which means, would I not like a bigger budget? Of course I would. But we are getting there. 10 years, 12 years ago, when I began to do female-centric films, people almost spoke of it like it was, like a passing fancy, like, oh, this is a period during which female-centric films are doing well. But guess what? We are here to stay. So someday we'll be making big films with women in the lead. I hope I'm one of those women. And I hope I get the sky and the stars and all that there is for it.
Also, your web series on the Indira Gandhi, where is it? When can we see it?
I don't know, actually. Unfortunately, I don't know. I have no comments. Would be the perfect thing to say at the moment,
Okay.
because with all that's happening around the world, there's not much that's happened on that front.
Okay, so my last question is, TV industry is back at work already. There is, talk about films going back to the sets. Any plan to go back to Sherni anytime soon? Are the talks happening?
We can't shoot during the rains, so we are hoping to resume post the rains, and I hope the situation is better by then. But yeah, the moment we can resume, we'd love to.
Thank you so much, Vidya. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
And
Thank you
best
so
wishes
much
for your film.
Thank you.